of baking with Nan for. This is quite good, I quite like this. This is then just developed it from there.
When I was 17 and I worked in my first ever hotel.
When I was 15, my first job was pot wash, and so I didn't know what I wanted to be, but I knew I wanted to be creative, so I've just kept going and going.
I saw Jamie Oliver's picture on the wall cooking, and that's the time I decided to become a chef.
Oh, I think it was about 15 or 16. I went to the Manchester Food Festival.
Very young. I saw a friend's mum do a demonstration at primary school, so I must have been about 8 years old. I just fell in love with cooking then.
Sodexo have been really good, so Sodexo put me through my qualifications.
Unbelievably, they're very big on the competition circuit.
It helped me massively, I would say. I always worked for hotels or restaurants.
Yeah, really, really good. So I've come on leaps and bounds in the last 2 years in terms of my own personal development. So yeah, really, really good.
A lot actually. I did my level 4 MVQ BTEC last year, and on the 12th of this month I'm signing up for my level 5.
Get your head down, work hard, you know, and suck it up really is just, you know, what the thing is, you know.
There's always something to learn. Listen, look, and be patient.
It's a changed industry now, it's not as hard as what it used to be, and it is quite enjoyable.
A lot of practice, a lot of hard work, commitment, but yeah, it's been really good. A lot of encouragement from all the Sodexo team, so yeah, really enjoyed it.